Alright, so I've ordered my laptop sleeve and a USB-C adapter from Amazon, and this is how it arrived. I'm not sure what Amazon was thinking. Maybe they were just double checking to make sure that everything that I've ordered is in this box, which would be incredibly thoughtful of them. Anyhow, I think everything that I've ordered is in here. It better be in here. So we'll see. Okay, so it turns out nothing was missing in the box. So that's the USB-C adapter. Thanks to Apple, I'm no longer able to connect any standard USB stuff into the USB port because they got rid of all that. This is the MacBook Pro sleeve that I've bought. I believe that this fits most 13 to 13.3 inch laptops or any tablets or device of your choosing. It's by TomTalk. Pretty sure that's how you pronounce it. Straightforward, right? TomTalk. Just like the fact that they had a little compartment here and it just had good reviews, and I trust good reviews. Pretty simple. This is literally how it came in the box. Just a little Ziploc bag here, like that. I should have done an ASMR version of this. That would have been really annoying with all these plastic wrapping sounds. Okay, cool. I think I got the black version of this. I believe there was like a gray and some other colors that you could choose from. I think I just went for the black. But actually, honestly, it doesn't actually look like jet black. It kind of looks like a dark navy almost. Okay, I ain't complaining about that. I don't know, it was one of the most minimal things I could find. Little logo here, it's not like huge. I don't know what this is for. Just keychain. You could put a keychain in here, I suppose. It's got that little, I don't know what this is for, to be honest. It has a zipper compartment. That's nice and helpful. And yep, good cushioning, fluffy, cozy bubble wrap for extra protection. This is actually quite a fun texture. I could just sit on the bus and just pop these, but they're not gonna pop, obviously, hopefully. So yeah. This article contains new material only, made in China. Okay. Yeah, the fact that I like about this is it's got these little inner flap or protection, I guess that's what you call it here, so that, you know, if you put your laptop inside and then you zip it, and then your zips are like scratching the metal and then eventually damages the laptop. So that's what I really liked about this. It's got that inner protection flap all around. Get a 12-month extended quality by registering. You could get a 12-month quality by registering online. Okay. Oh wait, is this YKK? Okay, so it's a YY. So it is a YKK. I did not know that. That is good. Yeah, it's YKK. I'm very happy about that. Moving on, I have the USB-C adapter for my MacBook Pro. Made in China, it says. This had two in them for like the price of one compared to like a different model. So I just thought, hey, two is better than one, right? I'm not sure about the quality of this thing, but the reviews were pretty good, so I'm assuming it's gonna be pretty decent, so we'll see. So we'll open this up. Okay, pretty straightforward. Does this have like instructional manuals and a sticker? Oh my God, it has a sticker inside, guys. Great, because I like stickers. I need to put these on my suitcase, because what if people don't realize that I'm using a Syntec USB-C adapter for my laptop, right? That would be embarrassing. Syntec warranty, it has a warranty. You can register this. Your product warranty will be upgraded from 1 month to lifetime, and you will be qualified to test our new developed products, which means you will get a free new launched product. I might sign up for this because they're gonna give me new stuff for free, hopefully, to review and test out. Okay. Leave an Amazon review on this product. We appreciate for your kindness. Okay, I will leave an Amazon review. In fact, I'm gonna leave a review on YouTube right now as we speak. So we'll see how this goes. Just don't break on me after 2 weeks. Yep, so pretty simple, straightforward. It looks like one of those candy sets that you get in like a convenience store when I was a kid. Okay, pop them out. Quality looks pretty decent. It's got some weight to it. It's actually quite heavier than I imagined it to be. It's got some good weight on it, which I'm not complaining. They don't actually feel too like plasticky, to be honest. So I'm happy with how it looks. Okay, so I have my 2018 MacBook Pro 13-inch here, and I'm just gonna see what it's like. Yeah, and you can get them in like different colors, I think. Like this one's a space gray because my laptop's a space gray because it's just not gonna work out if it's a different color from the laptop, is it? So yeah, that goes in there. Okay, yeah, pretty nice. I've been told that this doesn't work like this on the same, yeah, it doesn't work like together. Yeah, so it's not gonna fit like that. So it's either, it's gonna be left or right, you know, which, you know, I'm not complaining. Just gonna test out how this feels with a USB cable here. Is that the right way? I never get it the right way on the first go. Okay, that's not the right way. Of course it's not. What? Okay, that was the right way, but it's just really stiff, that's all. Yeah, okay, that's how it's gonna roughly look if you plug your USB cable in, which is not bad. And like, this is really, really stiff, actually. I can't even take it out. Yeah, that is really tough to take out. It's really stiff. So just mind that. I'm gonna lose these. So I need to get myself a little pouch for these specifically. That means I gotta spend more money. That means more shopping. Life, man. All right, let's see how this actually fits. This looks actually a little big for my laptop, but okay. So in it goes like that, I suppose. Okay, I mean, there's a bit of space because it did say you can fit like a 13.3-inch device in here as well. There's quite a lot of space in here actually. Like to the side as well a little bit. I'm sure that's gonna be okay. Looks pretty solid. I mean, for the price, it doesn't honestly feel as top quality as a in-case, for example. But that's like, you know, in-case are like $60 or something. This, what, you could get like 3 or 4 cases for the price of one in-case case. So, you know, I ain't complaining. For the price, this is a sturdy sleeve, in my opinion. Yeah, I'm gonna have to use it for about a week and then see if anything breaks or rips. So far, I think it's good quality for the price. Actually brought my charger here as well. See how that's gonna look. It's gonna be too bulky. Okay. It became a little ugly because of the charger. But hey, I mean, what are you gonna do? It's a sleeve, it's a laptop, and you gotta deal with that. It's not too bad. Damn, I just realized the adapter is really heavy. Yeah, you know how I'm going to store these for now? There we go, man. That's literally how I'm going to store these for now. So yeah, there we go. MacBook Pro essentials for now.